Engine 10, we're going to leave you on this. The Coast Guard has extracted the individual out of the vehicle. All other units responding to 4 Avenue South, South Royal Brougham Way, code green. All units responding 4 Avenue South, South Royal Brougham Way, code green, except for Engine 10.
Dispatch and Rescue 1, confirming all units are code green except Engine 10.
That's affirmative. Rescue 1.
Go ahead, Engine 10. Go ahead, Engine 10, Channel 3.
Dispatch Engine 10, this is confirmed. 2 vehicle MVI. All occupants are out.
Okay, Engine 10, 2 vehicle MVI. All patients are out.
Dispatch Engine 10 on Channel 3.
Go ahead, Engine 10.
If you could upgrade this incident to hazmat liner, add liner 1 onto it to assess for chemicals in the back of the van that's on its side.
Has minor. Okay. Just ladder 1?
Yes, just liner 1 for the time being.
Ladder 1 has white response. 4 Avenue South, South Royal Brougham Way. Ladder 1 has white response. 4 Avenue South, South Royal Brougham Way.
Ladder 1 is at 4 Avenue South and South Royal Brougham Way.
Engine 10 requesting your presence for some chemicals inside the back of a van that was involved in an MBI.